All right, ladies and gentlemen. So today we're going to have a quick look around S&P 500 map, global news, trading news, and then some technicals. So if you like any of that, yeah, like the video. If not, just stick around and see if you do like it. You're not obliged by any means. So overall, S&P 500 is up 0.21%. So apart from that, yeah, almost coming to all-time highs. So again, but yeah, as for the individual stocks, yeah, just ups and downs, nothing too crazy happening. So we'll move on. So overall global news, same, nothing too crazy as well. Like I had a quick look before, nothing that really sticks out. Just yeah, your normal talk about bonds and energy and all that. If you're interested in any of that kind of stuff, have a suss through yourself. All right, so we'll go into calendar news. So, where are we? So Tuesday, yeah. Is it the ninth? Yeah, Tuesday ninth. Jeez. All right, so consumer credit. So yeah, just checking consumer debt. We got manufacturing sales, pretty self-explanatory. The British Retail Consortium. That's just yeah monitoring sales, like retail sales. So it's in the name. M2 money supply. So that's just check savings and all money in circulation. So nothing too crazy. I tried to look into what stock is, but yeah, it couldn't really say. It was just coming up with M2 money versus stocks and all of that. So I'll try to look into that a bit more because I did notice the difference. M2 money supply down here, yeah, is actually supply instead of stock. So anyway, we'll see. Maybe I'm just being a bit fucking meathead, but yeah, couldn't. Maybe it'll come to me. I'm not too sure. All right, so Westpac consumer sentiment. So that's just 1,200 people about like overall survey about the economy. NAB is a business bank in Australia, so business confidence. So it's 350 businesses overall health. So prelim machine tools. So tools or tool orders. So pretty self-explanatory in the name. So there's two of these reports, but they don't even. I think it's the final. They don't even release because it doesn't even mean anything apparently. So this is the one. French industrial production. So pretty self-explanatory, as well as Germany. Like France is a big economy. So yeah, you see that in the news a lot, especially for euro. New loans, China, new loans, pretty self-explanatory. M2 money supply, yeah, circulation and deposited money. So pretty self-explanatory. Same as up here, but same, but different. All right, so German 10-year bond auctions. As I've said before, I don't know much about bonds at all, like or anything, or in depth anyway. So something to learn over time, I guess. All right, so this is the National Federation Independent Business, like of businesses or whatever. So it's a small business index. So they surveyed X amount of businesses. Yeah, German Bubba president. That's a bank in Germany, and then this is the Swiss National Bank chairman speaks as well. So sorry, the German bank president speaks as well. So anyway, got a bit on tomorrow actually. So tomorrow looks like a pretty good day. So overall, the trading news I had a look through a little bit before, but nothing too crazy. Obviously, you got money, Japan money stocks. All the ones with folders are normally got a link that you can. Normally, they go to the banking website or yeah, the website of the report. So as you can see here, the NAB, you probably, yeah, just NZ business financial data. And these are normally linked to the day of news reports as well. Not that it gives you, yeah, it doesn't really mean too much, but it's good to have well, it means a lot, but yeah, it's not endless information, if that makes sense. European Central Bank, Villery, we are in a good position with inflation in Europe. French Prime Minister loses confidence vote, will tender resignation, just stuff like that. But yeah, Normally the ones with folders next to them normally go to a website and you have all the reports there. So just an easy one. All right, so we'll move on. So technicals, and nothing in these videos is financial advice. So yeah, I will be trading live or close to live over the next couple of days. I thought it was today, but it is what it is. Life just gets in the way sometimes. So yeah, anyway, Euro, I was saying yesterday that when you have these bids, it normally comes and retests. And as you can see, these liquidities will probably get blown out. So a lot of people will see these, stack sells, all that kind of stuff. And they normally just get, blown out of position. But yeah, so that's what's happening. It could just drop down and do this, or could go a million different ways. Like, as I've said a lot of times before, it's a probability game. Not everything works out. It's just over a lot of times. You know, pro poker players play over and get graded as a pro over 100,000 hands. It's not just one tournament or whatever the saying is. Maybe that's just made up and someone told me that. But all right, so pound USD. So same. It's kind of happening. You got big liquidity and it's kind of faking out. So you can see through the lines, just bulldozing through. So it's not the same as EU. So it could your major liquidity is all the way up here, and these are on 4-hour charts. So average daily range and all that will take a lot of time to get there. But there is a lot of red folder news happening, so maybe I'm not too sure. But all right, so USDMXN is still, ever since I said this channel, I said it was one of my favorites, but it's still consolidating within pretty much the range would be here and up here. Well, actually a bit higher. So until it breaks out of that, and I'm not really too sure. But yeah, anyway, S&P is nearly at the all-time highs I was saying before. So it's creeping back up, and it's up 0.21%, as I was saying before. So maybe you'll break highs, maybe nothing. I don't know much about technicals and indexes. I don't even know if they do anything. I've never really looked into them, but it's cool following it and stuff like that. This knowledge will build up over time. So it's easy to report. But yeah, all-time highs set a couple days ago. So yeah, maybe we'll come back and blow that out. But your NASDAQ is creeping up to all-time highs again. That was set a few weeks ago now. 12th of August. Yeah, almost a month. So and then that's up 0.46%. A lot of tech stocks, well, it is tech pretty much. So, and then Dow Jones is up 0.25%. So these all-time highs set a couple days ago as well. So maybe you'll come back and retest that. As I said, I'm not too sure how all this stuff works. If there's, just don't know. But over time we'll have a suss. But anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If not, it's all cool. And we'll see you guys, tomorrow. And girls, obviously. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers. See ya. Bye.